Tulikuwa tunawasubiri Zambia na tayari Zambia ameshaingia hapa. Tuko na coach Ivan Grant pamoja na Kenneth Musonda. Kwa hiyo watazungumza nao kuelekea katika mchezo wa kesho wa kufuzu kombe la dunia dhidi ya Tanzania. So we are continuing with our press conference, and now we have Ivan Grant here, coach of Zambia, and also Kenneth Musonda. So Coach Ivan Grant, we have to hear about the preparation of your team. Tomorrow you're going to play against Tanzania World Cup qualifier. So what about your preparation?
We're still in the middle of preparation. As you know, the international week started yesterday and the game is tomorrow. We have players from Zambia, but also we have players from other places. So they played 2 days ago, so they had a flight. Few of them arrived only this morning. So we don't have time to train, but we want to win this game.
Okay, as we've had our brand, they want to win that game from tomorrow. So I'd like to welcome you, journalists. If you have any questions, you can ask him. Any questions from you? So you have to introduce your name.
I don't know if we don't have a chance, but we have a chance to be second place. For this, we need to win these 2 games against Tanzania and against Niger, and we will do our best. We don't calculate after. So it's a part of the winning mentality. We did a good process in Zambia in the last 2.5 years. We qualified 2 times to Africa. I don't like this one, but it's been a little bit bad luck in the qualification to the World Cup. We wanted to qualify the first time in the history of Zambia, but I'm sure if we continue this process, Zambia will qualify for sure. But for the moment, we have 2 tough games. We need to concentrate about these games, try to win, and then you can make any calculation that you want. In football, like in life, it's part of the game. I can say it's learning. We did mistakes for sure. We did bad mistakes, if I can say. But we want to learn from this. We spoke about this. We show about this, and I'm sure that we will not make these mistakes again, because it was similar mistakes in the last 2 games against Tanzania, and we don't want to do it again. But as you know, part of football is mistakes. Unfortunately, in the last game against Tanzania, we did a bad mistake. It was 1-0, and then we had 17 attempts on the goal. We didn't score, and we lost the game. Tanzania fought like crazy, which I can say respect them about this. But I agree with you. It was terrible mistakes, but we need to learn from this.